Welcome to Spring Place Elementary School in Chatsworth, Georgia.
Good morning. Come on in.
Want to see how we run our school pantry?
During breakfast, we collect unopened and uneaten food.
This food also went in the trash.
Each day, we take turns getting the milk cart from the lunchroom.
Can you believe this food almost went into the garbage?
It's cool we get to send it home instead with families who may need it. And it's pretty awesome we get to do this together.
Hey guys, ready to get to work? Let's get the cart unloaded.
We get to take turns working in the pantry each morning.
We love getting to help out other students and at the same time get a break from class.
We enjoy getting to put the food away, take out the trash, and just getting to spend time together.
Each morning, a classroom helper or teacher brings down their uneaten breakfast.
We make sure we put it up so that it stays cold and fresh for our families.
Hey there, I'm Amelia Brock, the proud principal of Spring Place Elementary, and I help oversee just the whole running of the Helping Hands Ending Hunger Food Pantry. And we are so thankful to have Helping Hands here to help all of our families at Spring Place. We're able to serve about 25 to 30 families a week and make sure that they have healthy, nutritious meals at home.
Hi, my name's Miss Johnson and I communicate with the parents and families within our school just to kind of see what their needs are within the home so that we can provide the bags that they need based on the number of adults and number of students within the home.
We've been running our pantry now for going on 2 years, and in my role I have assisted our teachers working with our students to make sure that food bags are packed and ready to go out to families at the end of the day. I've done maintenance on the equipment that is in the actual pantry, putting up shelves and making sure those are sturdy enough to support our canned goods, and basically just anything that the group needs to make sure that it's successful here at our school. We love our kids that participate in this, and we love helping the families that benefit from it.
I enjoyed coming into the pantry during my planning time to count and pack the bags for our students. It makes me happy to know that our students will have food over the weekend.
This program is special to me because growing up as a child, I was food insecure. So if using my time during planning to pack a bag to ensure that these children and their families have extra food over the weekend, that's humbling to me.
I enjoy working in the food pantry. I'm grateful that I get to be a part of this to help fill the bags with fruits and vegetables to ensure that our students have food that they otherwise may not have over the weekend. It's just a very rewarding job, and I'm so proud to be a part of it.
My name is Adam Winkler. I'm a 4th grade math teacher and a bus driver at Spring Place Elementary. Every Friday I make sure our food bags get home to our students safely and they have plenty of food over the weekend.
I like to get the chocolate muffins and yogurt.
I like to get the peaches and the orange juice.
My mom likes cooking the rice in the bags. I like when my mom cooks corn out of the bag. I like my mom cooking mac and cheese out of the food bag and corn out of the food bag. I like to get the honey buns and the apples.
I like to get the apple juice and the sausage biscuits.
My mom and dad cooks the mac and cheese and the beans with rice.
Hey, my name is Rachel Brindle, and I'm a teacher here at Spring Place Elementary. I oversee all things in the pantry, and I get to work alongside student council and lots of our teachers that just help devote their planning time to make sure that our food bags get packed and make sure this process runs smoothly. I enjoy working with Helping Hands and the American Heart Association, and I just love being a part of this program that helps feed our students over the weekend. So thank you.
Thank you, Helping Hands.